Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Ashley and I hope that you're having a wonderful week. Today's video is very exciting. It's one that I have been planning for literally months. I've been working on it for literally months. I put so much effort into this, not just because of the video though, but because I really also wanted to do this. So a while back I bought this tattoo paper. I'll show you in a second. But basically you print images on it and then it's like a temporary tattoo, like the things that people used to use when they were like kids, you know, but you can make it look like real tattoos, which is pretty cool. Growing up I always wanted a ton of tattoos, but I don't know, my parents kind of like scared me from getting them. I still really want them, but I also think that I'm not like cool enough to pull off a lot of tattoos. Like I know people who have a ton of tattoos and they are really cool people and I am not that cool. So I guess we're gonna have to go with temporary tattoos. I didn't want to just print out any tattoos, so the reason it took so long is because I decided to make my own tattoo designs as best as I could. I am a mediocre photoshopper. I didn't even use Photoshop. I used this app on my computer called GIMP, which is like Photoshop but free. So I got as close to what I think I would want as real tattoos as I possibly could. Obviously not a tattoo artist, not a Photoshopper, and I was working with what I could find for free on the internet. A lot of things standing in the way of greatness for me. So I'm going to show you the tattoos and then I'm going to print them out and then we're gonna put them on. And then we're gonna try to turn ourselves into a cool person. So let's get started. So these are the tattoos that I made. This is gonna be the one for my leg. And then I have this is for my hand. This is for my arm, like my upper, what is it called? Like my bicep, my upper arm. This is for my fingers. I don't know. This is gonna be for my forearm. This is gonna be for my neck. And this is gonna be for my face, this little smiley face down here. So those are all of the tattoos that I came up with. This is the tattoo paper that I got. It's from Silhouette. It was pretty expensive. I can't remember exactly how much, but I want to say like maybe $11. I got it from Amazon. But each of these packs, which were like $11 or more, has like 2 sheets in it. So I had to get 3 packs just because I didn't know how many tattoos I was going to be making. Oh, I actually got 4 packs. So I can do this again at some point. Okay, so I'm just now reading the instructions on how to use the tattoo paper, and it says that I have to open the desired image in the Silhouette Studio software and mirror it so that the image is reversed. So I guess I have to do that software, so hold on, let me download that, I guess. Okay, so I got all 3 images transferred over to the Silhouette Studio software app, whatever. But I have this warning on all of them. And it says this design may print in low resolution, causing graininess and pixelation in the printed artwork. For a higher resolution print, you will need to make the image smaller. But I don't want the image smaller because I needed a certain size to like fit on my body. So we're just gonna try it anyway. That looks like it's gonna be massive. I might have made that a little bit too big actually. Okay, we got it scaled to the size that I want it. Now let's print it. I'm nervous. That's massive. Oh, I forgot to flip it. Okay, actually that works out. But the other ones I'm definitely gonna have to make smaller. Okay. That is pretty low resolution. Yikes. It's fine. It's fine. Let's hope they don't all come out green because that's gonna suck. I want them black. I already have this one flipped, so let's print it. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Why does it look like that? Oh, why is it that color? Does that mean it's not gonna be black on me? Why is it printing out like that? Okay, so I've been Googling and I have no idea why the ink is coming out like weird colors. This one, it came out green. This one, it came out like brown and there's a little bit of green at the top. And then this one just came out like completely brown. And you can barely even see this one, but I don't want to waste more paper trying to figure this out, and nothing on Google is helpful, so we're just going to try it out. This one, the ink is dry because this is the first one I printed. So we have to take this, we have to take these green sheets that came in the packet with the paper. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. And that's a disaster. Okay. I mean, like, it's probably fine, right? That there's bubbles, increases. I feel like that's fine. It's probably not, but whatever. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do this one better, I promise. It would probably help if I was doing this on a flat surface. Okay, the end of that came out really nice. Getting better at it. Hopefully by the third one, we'll have no creases. Perfect. Look at that. That one came out so perfectly. Okay. Not a single wrinkle. Look at me go. These other ones are terrible. So the next step is to cut them out. This is terrible. Look at how many wrinkles are in this. This should still work, right? I have to wet the rag. I don't think it has to be warm water, but I feel like I remember doing these when I was younger and it was supposed to be warm water. This doesn't say that on the instructions. We're gonna get warm water anyway. So then once the water is warm, like it is now, then you take this, you peel the adhesive off. I'm just gonna do like a really small one first so I don't mess it up. So you clear the what am I saying? You take the plastic film off, place it where you want it, which I think is gonna be right there for me. And you wet your rag. This is gonna look stupid. It's okay. And my rag is wet. And then you leave it on for 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, I left it on longer than 15 seconds, but that's okay. You can't even like see it. It's cute though. Okay, hopefully the other ones will come out better. So I'm gonna put the rest of these on. I will show you the ones that I'm able to. I kind of messed up the W a little bit and the I like, and yeah, whatever. It's wild. That wasn't funny, okay. That one like didn't even come out. That sucks. That one was so cool. Can't even see it. That's annoying. Okay, so this is what they look like. This one, you can't even see, like at all. This one, you can kind of see, but, focus, hello. This one you can kind of see, but it like fades in a lot of places. This one you can pretty much see, but it was supposed to be pink and black. There's no pink. This one on my hand you cannot see like at all. You can like see the eyes and the eyebrows, but you can't see the fan or the mouth. You can see the ones on my fingers really, really well. The one on my leg also looks good. So while I was doing it, it did get like some bubbles, and then I just kind of had to like pat them down or like put the paper back on and like pat it down with the cloth. Also regarding the film is still on here. It's on my skin, and so like my arm, like if I go like that, it like hurts. Like it's really tight on my skin. I'm not sure if it's gonna come off or if it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. It's a little bit uncomfortable though, so I don't know. Overall, I think I would give this like a, I mean, maybe it was also my designs too. Now that I think about it, maybe I should have used like their design thing. So I think because part of it was my fault, but I should be able to put whatever designs I want. Oh, and also this one, you can't really see it that much. I forgot about that one. That's how much you can't see it. I think overall I would give it like a, I mean, I do have tattoos, like a 5 out of 10. Nah, it's kind of my fault. But also the fact that the film is on here is like so uncomfortable. I don't know. Okay, so I got a small clip of us taking pictures, but we got kicked out of the parking lot. Whatever. It's fine. Yeah, so hopefully I got some good pictures, but this is the final look. I couldn't really figure out what outfit to wear. I had an outfit in mind. Well, I had a few outfits in mind, but then I remembered I needed to wear shorts or a skirt so that you could see my, you can't see it, but my thigh tattoo. So that kind of limited my options, but I think the outfit I came up with is pretty cute. Oh, I guess that is it for this video. This was really fun. I'm not sure how long these are gonna stay on, which is why I wanted to go take my pictures today, because if you notice, the film that's still like on there is like peeling, and when it peels, it takes the whole design with it. So I'm not really sure how long this is gonna stay on. Hopefully at least like this one goes away quickly. But it was really fun to see what I would look like full of tattoos. I think I kind of convinced myself to get a lot more tattoos. Not that I didn't already know that I wanted them, but like I really convinced myself with this. So I think this paper is like really good if you're thinking of getting a tattoo but you're not sure where you want it, or you just want to make sure that you're gonna like it, and it's gonna like look good on you. I think that this paper is really useful. It's not super like practical for like a long-term tattoo though. Like I can't see this staying on for like a week, so not the best for like the long term, but definitely good for like a short-term trial thing. So that is it. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know down below what you think of me with tattoos. Do I look cool? Do I look stupid? I mean, I kind of look stupid because they're fake tattoos, but like if they were real, would I look cool? Yeah, so let me know down below. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video, and I will see you all next week in my next video. Bye.